Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The HowStation. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lip balm at home. A lip balm is very essential no matter what the season is. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. And though lip balms are easily available at stores, so making it at home is very easy. You just need a few ingredients and plus you know what you're putting in there. So it's much better than the store-bought one. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. To make the lip balm, we'll need some pure beeswax, some oil. I'm using coconut. You can use any oil of your choice. Then vitamin E capsules and a flavor of your choice. I am using vanilla. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients in a silicone bowl. So here I've taken a little more than 2 spoons of beeswax, but that made my lip balm a bit dry, so I would recommend using equal quantities of beeswax and oil. Then I've taken 1 spoon of coconut oil. To that I have added 1 capsule of vitamin E and a few drops of vanilla flavoring. Now I've set the double boiler over here and I am going to put the silicone bowl into it. And while my ingredients are melting, I am going to prepare my lip balm containers. So here I've got the Blue Heaven container, which is very similar to the EOS lip balm containers. Now with the help of a cutter, I am going to remove this portion from the base and I am going to attach it onto the cap. So now my ingredients have melted and now it's time to pour the ingredients into the container. Now I'm going to make a second batch of lip balm. Here I've taken equal quantity of beeswax and coconut, that is 1 spoon each, and for some color I'm going to add some lipstick into it and I'm going to let all the ingredients melt. Once the ingredient melt, I'm going to take this lip balm container. Make sure that it is turned down all the way and also make sure that this little gap over here is closed properly, otherwise the liquid might flow out from there. And then I'm going to pour my lip balm into the container and put the lip balms in the fridge to set for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll take out my lip balms from the fridge. I'll put the bottom of the Blue Heaven container on it. And with that, here are my lip balms absolutely ready. So that's how you make the lip balm at home. You just need a few ingredients and you're good to go. So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you all did, please do hit the like button and tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. Share the video with your friends and family so even they can watch it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the circle over here that has got my face in it. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, have a good day, take care and goodbye.